State President Jongka National People's Party ubak Presiden Tensong ubadairu Deputy Chief Minister Jongka Jela habakren hak sengi pedang sengau bahai ke laingut ki MLA ke Seng Kongres sya ka parti ulaong ka jingkhang Jongka NPP ka ple na ka benta kitu ki weipat ki MLA manwan peneso sya ka Seng Shushu ubak Presiden ula berab da ka baong ka jingwan peneso Jongkini ki laingut ki MLA Jongka Seng Kongres kalanang penskam shushu ya ka Seng bat ya ka sorkar ha ka Jela ba Preston ola berap basian unsahiar skilai teli constituency bani kenduk lang ha pedeng kinong ilam ke badon lupa ha ka Seng bat kum juru kinong ilam ke batmai bani perkhat kumno ka Seng kandang Tracy Tom shushu ban pen khlain ha ka than ri boy
more than 3 weeks they were so distressful, even me, CM, and Nasrullah. But today and this moment, when we go back to our respective places, we close all the challenges and we will continue with this gesture. Friends, I will not say much because right now we are fully filled with joy from the party side. Being the state president, especially, I never ever expected that this moment will be able to cross the magic number. Tonight is the historic moment for the party NPP. And this has happened, number one, just because Almighty is always with us. Let us not forget that. The recent MP election has happened. We have seen people, they talk so much about NPP, but still, God has a better plan for the party NPP. In spite of so many challenges we have, now we cross the bridge. As the state president, still, I would like to inform all the concerned, any other political parties, our doors is still open for you to. Anytime you can come and merge with us. Doors is always open. No matter how you talk, how you throw this door, but ultimately, the good work that we have tried all these years made people change their mind. Kiparlok baik, musobrong, yakin di lainut, ki MLA macam, ki bahaka bakatu, kumbakilada klasya nasi. Ndai bagi wan lasya pendi hakan mengenuk bentar. Ngayon ikot kubuar di keren lagi hujan kursi. Ngayon i benar di bawah menangin lagi Supreme Court. Menilai persya yang berat sama National President. Hanaba udai master yang coaching. They said Chief Minister and the National President of NPP, his master in coaching. MLA, is it? So I'm just saying, yes, if you want to do that, yes, let us prove it is good. We are ready for that. But let me tell you one thing. This is not the place of drama. This is the place, the family of NPP is the place to serve the state. irrespective you are from which sector, from which denomination, but we are here to serve the state. They nakatagadaw kabaplot ba kini kilaykot KMLE betul pulang jadi kiwan dan penyesno manifesto. Point number 2. Today morning I had a meeting with all the 3 blocks: Nongstoy block, Umstin, and also Mauhati. So we already shared our views, our concern, everything. And ultimately, even all the block members of these 3 blocks, 3 consensus, they welcome all the 3 of you sincerely, but to make sure that the commitment they made before me being the president, I would like to request all the 3 members. I told them, me, working president Baham, will have a meeting of the block NPP along with all of you. All the 3 places, I will go myself and we'll have a meeting so that ultimately we understand that we are from the same family and we will carry on the motto, the program, the agenda of the party, serving the best convenient of the people of those 3 constituencies. So very soon session we will have a meeting. But nasa meeting ikiti pero I would kapag fix the meeting kaway hanong stoy, kaway hanawati, but kaway antay hapo umsti. Kata kapag ilaya pembay, they kaway sibun ang nagyo iya giniginang kitam so blocks kibawan, temen don kibang banban, akaba i babuklemen kung presiden sa district ilagon lang. The Mr. Bok, President of the District of West, umyo pangwan na kitao, di ba, doon lang ito program. Naman kumaong yung hinigitan, kiwi-kiwi, yaka, hindi ka meeting mo gindon na ta, hindi ba suto ka, tinlay niya doon lang, kajing mo ka. Kata-kata yung jinya, nujung isiyeng kisep, bag-bag niwa, manupin-tulun, yaka roy kapaan, John. Kinigilay ka rin ito sa baca kejelahi barokuwe. Di suaban nasyong sa sisi patna itulay barok te kamtam na suaban kongba kapulong tolong yoglay ng buong ng tao. Kabahan na super cut aladi na simba unong yalang baraka cumi unong seng ya dapat NPP le pi isang na kernet sehat. Kamu sing lucupi ikutku nanti na bangingin ang bali kung kibri na terdawa patulong yadi bangin nangki ninanga bangyasaka hakajing krekam kerja tinalayan cuma nama supan bukti ay kulay siya jago